twist.
May artista na?
Pakita sa'yo dito sa ating screen. Shuvi. Nandun ako sa broadcast channel. Nandun pa din sa broadcast channel. Nasa broadcast channel ito, nakita ko, hindi na-inspire ako when I saw this photo. Kasi grabe.
Sa foundation mo.
Yeah. Grabe ang development, ang evolution, ang blooming and glow up. Ano ang gusto mo sabihin kay nakababatang Shuvi about the choices she will make in her life?
A letter from your younger self. This girl is really bullied. Kaya po siya ganyan. Kaya po siya nagkunwari. Kasi nga, di ba, nagtatry hindi maging siya. Hello? Narinig ko ba? Kasi po, ang hirap ayoko umiyak dito, Ate B. That was my grade 6 self, little Shubidu. She was very insecure with her skin color, having to face a lot of rejections. Ang dami niya pong wala siyang halos dyan. Hindi siya nagagandahan sa sarili niya dyan. And sobra siyang naiitim sa sarili niya. Sobrang pangit na pangit sa sarili niya. Pero ang lakas ng loob, sumali ng pageant. Sumali po siya ng pageant, opo. Kasi you've been taking risks and you've been trying to believe in yourself even if mahirap. So I just want to say, you did it! You did it, little Shubidu. I'm so proud of you, and now is your time to actually share good sentiments towards other people. It has been your dream before to be a voice, and now I will be your voice as the future you. So I want to say, choosing good po talaga ay hindi yan grand gesture. It's not a heroic act na gagawin nyo doon, I'm gonna be Spider-Man today. It's not like that. It's not like that. It's your small, conscious decision. The moment you wake up again every single day, it's your power to make a difference every single day. And of course, you cannot control everything that's gonna happen, but you have full control on what you can contribute to the environment, to the community, to all the people around you. It's in you. And it's within your power, it's within her heart. Nandun sa puso niya yung paniniwala, kaya po ako naging, I wouldn't say ako na talaga, like, this is the best. Not yet, guys. I'll still be better in coming years. Lalaki pa tayo, baka tumakat pa ako konti, baka gumanda pa ako konti. Marami pang mangyayari, but right now, I could say I made it because I'm able to be in front of you. Because I'm able to actually see cell phones in front of me, smiles made because of me, laughters, even. Marami pong ngayon na naniniwala sa akin, and now, I would say na sana mabigyan ko kayo ng challenge. Sana every single day, as a competitive person, you ask yourself, what good can I do today? And the day after that, hanggang mamatay tayong lahat. Oo, what good can I do today?